Hello everyone. This is assignment number 2 where users will be able to add deposit and open browser and go to this website. Users will enter username, password and click on login button, and user will click on transaction button. Let me show you over here, and they will click on new deposit, and the users will be able to click on open an account drop down to expand it like this, and then choose one of these options. I chose saving account, and users will be able to click over here and type any description of the account, and users will type the amount of money to be deposited, and finally they'll be able to click submit button and check if the account description and the amount to be deposited are posted over here. Let's go to the Eclipse and do it. All right. This is Eclipse. And step number 1, I created this class and I named it homework 2. And under this class, I have 3 methods. Method 1, before testing, I named it initialization, and testing method, login and deposit. And method number 3, the last one, is after testing. I named it tear down. Step number 2, I created this global object and this list of element by using by class, and you see all these expert locators for my web element. And next, for before testing or initialization, you see this system set property line, and I launch Chrome blank page. With this line, I deleted all the cookies, and with this one, I opened TechFiles website, and with this line, I maximized the page, and the last line for this method, uh, I set up the implicit weight. Next, for login and perform the deposit. You're gonna ignore all these lists of elements using web element. I didn't use them, but I was able to use them, but I chose to use these ones. The list using by class. All right. For the login process, this line gonna allow me to type my username, and this one you type your password, and this one you click on the login button. You're gonna click or the user gonna click on the transaction and click on the new deposit, and then click on the over here on the account drop down to expand it. After expansion, user will be able to choose one of the option. You remember I chose saving account, and over here I'm gonna type the name of maybe the description of my account. I called it the business account. Over here, uh, let me let me call it again like a business account, family account. Over here, I type this amount of money to be deposited, and finally, I'm gonna click on the submit button using this code. Over here, I didn't choose to close the page because I want to check if my amount in my account description, I'll post it as requested or maybe as planned. And over here, what I need to do is to run the program. Let me run it. Here you go. You remember this is this description of my account, and this is the amount of money I deposited. They are well posted. So even they say it here, the transaction added successfully. Even if you check my Eclipse, there's zero error, zero failure, which means everything looks great. So thank you so much for watching.